Hello, welcome to Pantech Solutions. In this video, we are going to see demo on Fanta bottle recognition and counting using image processing MATLAB. Open MATLAB, change the path and run the main program. GUI demo is the main file. Once you run the program, the graphical user interface opens up. Click Browse to choose the image and click Half Transform to find out the lines and median filter to remove the noise and segment ROI to direct the region of interest. You have to wait till the message pops up and then click segment ROI, region of interest. Click target search area, and this is the target search area. In this, you can choose the one which you want to recognize. So Fanta, I have clicked Fanta and the count is 8. I'm going to click Miranda. So the count is 2. Sprite. This is done by using template matching and boundary labeling. If you want to buy this source code or to modify the source code, you can reach us by clicking the link which is mentioned in the description box. Else, send a message to the WhatsApp number which is mentioned in the description box. Thank you.